Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to install Axie Infinity BOT. Before downloading the file, you need to turn off the antivirus. This needs to be done because the program is written in Python. Step 1. First we need to click on the link under the video and download the file. While I am installing the program, you can like and subscribe to the channel. Step 2. Next we need to unpack the file and enter the password for the archive. This password is also found below the video in the description. Step 3. Next we simply install a program on the desktop and run it. And now we just need to enjoy watching. This script was written by a custom encoder for $1,500. This bot has no bugs or other problems. Since I made a lot of money on it and I don't need this script, I decided to share this program. At that time, while I was working for 3 months, I earned a lot of Axie. Thank you for watching. Goodbye to everyone.